Welcome to the rich history of Witbank Emaleleni, a vibrant city nestled in the heart of Mpumalanga, South Africa. Let us embark on a journey through time, exploring the origins and growth of this remarkable place. The history of Witbank Emaleleni can be traced back to the late 19th century, when the discovery of coal in the area changed its destiny forever. The name Witbank is derived from the Afrikaans words wit, meaning white, and bank, referring to the white sandstone cliffs that once lined the banks of the nearby Witbank Dam. During the late 1800s, the construction of a railway line connecting Pretoria and Delagoa Bay led to the establishment of a railway siding near Witbank. This marked the beginning of the town's development as a coal mining hub. The Witbank coal field quickly gained prominence, attracting both local and international investors who recognized the region's immense coal reserves. This led to the establishment of numerous collieries and the influx of workers from various corners of South Africa and beyond. Over time, the coal industry became the backbone of Witbank Emaleleni's economy, fueling the growth of the town and transforming it into a bustling mining community.